We're checking out this Willis Co. Alcohol Infusion Kit. This is a pretty nice kit, and as you can see, it comes with everything. There's even instructions right on the back, so if you give this to somebody as a gift or like a white elephant or something, then right away people are going to, even if they don't know how to do this, they're going to get some idea of how simple it is. So it has everything you're going to need: a bottle and some filters, some strain, and then some flavors. So alcohol infusion is actually very easy to do. It's just that the issue is that most of the time you don't know what flavors you're going to like. So what this kit is so nice for is it does give you a nice presentation. It's a great gift, but it gives you so many different flavors to start with. There's over 12 of them here, that this way you can get a really good idea. Do you like vanilla? Do you like ginger, peach, anise? You know, things that you may not go to the store and buy. This kit has all 12 right away. Fun idea. It only takes about a couple of days, and you got something you can test. So this is fun for the holidays. Great gift idea. Hope this helps.